Hi guys, Barnes here, and today we are going to learn how to do the Nollie backside shove. Nollie backside shove it is when you roll in your normal position, but your front foot is on the nose and you shove your board 180 degrees behind you. All you need for this trick is to get comfortable rolling around in your skateboard and start to experiment with the different ways to roll and trying your tricks. The foot position for this trick is just like your Nollie position, at least for me. Your back foot on the bolts and your front foot is on the nose of your skateboard. Because you are not going to pop this time, you just shove your board behind you, so all you need is to apply a bit of pressure on your front foot and kind of push it in front of you, and with your back foot it feels like you push backwards to counterbalance the movement, or you just basically lift up your back foot and follow through with your movement. So you have to push the board in front of you, so the board goes behind you. Make sure you keep your weight centered over your board and evenly distributed over both legs. Keep a little bit of pressure on your nose. When you shove your board in front of you, it will be super easy for the board to turn around. Always look down on your board and follow through the movement with your back foot, and when the board fully turns, stop the rotation with your front foot. Put back your back foot and roll away. And that's about it. Practice makes it perfect, but I'm sure you can learn this trick pretty quickly. And when you are comfortable with this trick, build into your line and learn something new. Let me know in the comments below if you prefer rolling in fakie or nollie. Thank you guys for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next trick on Thursday. You can subscribe if you like the video and follow me on different socials. But as always, the most important is to go skate and have fun.